Good morning, guys! Today is our last day dito sa Caribbean Island. Babalik na kami Fort Lauderdale bukas ng umaga. So, kararating lang ng boat, guys. Napansin ko kaninang umaga, mga alas 7, dumating kami dito sa pantalan ng Coco Cay. Coco Cay is also a part of Caribbean Island, a part of Bahamas to be exact. Umalis kami kahapon alas 4, diba? So, dumating siya is ngayon lang umaga. So, kahit nasa Bahamas pa rin siya, it's also far. Malaki rin ang Bahamas. So, yes, we gonna go out later, guys. Lumabas si Paul, nag-workout. I skipped the gym today. Kasi nakapag-workout naman ako kahapon. This is what I am going to wear today, guys. So, I have this top. And then the Caterno niya Paris. They're from Shein. So, yes. I have two choices na pang cover up, guys. I have this, two sets. White. I don't have a black bikini kasi. So, white would go like this. And then this is the bottom. It would go like this. Ganyan. But I'm not sure kasi meron akong isa dito na dress. This is like a mermaid type dress, guys. It's super beautiful. And mahaba siya. Yeah, this would also go on top of my bikini. Parang cover up. So which one is nice, guys? Should we do a try on? No? Okay, let's do a try on. So this is the two-piece cover up, guys. Super see-through ang pants. You can see my bikini under. And then the top is double layered on top. So hindi siya masyadong see-through. But this one, you can literally see my bum right there. Kasi black siya, so it's a contrasting color. So yeah, but anyway, we're gonna go to the beach naman. But you see, it's super see-through. Yep, guys, ganyan siya. This is what the dress looks like, guys. It is also see-through. It's long, but not too long. Ayan. But you can see my two-piece sa loob. And you can see my bum in the back. So, it is demure. Very cute, see? But, yeah. Nice. Breakfast. So from the balcony, that is the view, guys. Iba na yung kapitbahay natin since nandito tayo sa ibang lugar. And look how big that boat na kaharap natin, guys. It is huge. Huge. All the way up there. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. And this is our boat. That's our boat. That's the jacuzzi area dyan sa taas. Swimming pool. And I see, yun naman sa kanila, yun yung jacuzzi area nila. Si Paul, guys. Pumasok ulit siya sa kwarto. Bumalik siya sa wind drummer kasi kinuna niya ako ng dessert. Look at that. Wow! That's a lot of dessert. But we'll try this. It looks so good though. I'm having all of this food by myself. I can't eat all of this. Looks so yummy. Ice cream. And I have a coffee, cake, and a regular coffee. Ooh, so hot.
We got breakfast over there.
Boat is so big. Two boats here, I see. Cabana, guys. Yun, parang nasa tubig na siya na pwede mo siyang i-rent. Tipo, tuwang-tuwa. Ayan. Gusto niya mag-swimming. Ayan siya. What? Nakailang take kami ng video para pang TikTok. Wala talaga kaming maayos na video na nakuha. Hirap mag-video. But, ang ganda ng view, guys. Hindi siya masyadong mainit. Medyo malamig yung hangin. Kasi Nobyembre na. Mag-winter na. But, perfect weather para sa akin. Hindi perfect weather para sa kanya. Kasi gusto niya yung mainit. We have nag-book kami ng appointment para lunch at 1 o'clock. We're having lunch, guys. Kumakain kami dito sa Coco Beach. Ito yung starter nila. Kinuha ko ang shrimp cocktail. Lunch is served. Look at this, guys. I got lobster. It's so big. Look at that. With fries and sauce. And a butter sauce. This is exciting. Kain tayo. Si Paul ay... Danny, what is yours?
Grouper.
What you got? Tell me what you got. Oh, that's a big chunk of grouper. And fries as well. Which one first? Fries. Tahimik kumain. Basta masarap ang pagkain. Tingnan natin si Paul. Tahimik na siya. Like your food, honey. And that's the view. Mag-order si Paul ng Bahama rum cake.
I don't want any cream.
Oh, I want to try a cream.
Take the white cream off. How is it?
Good. It's like a banana cake. Sweet. It's nice. That's good. Let's go to walk. Let's go walk to the cabana.
Shadows dancing on the wall.
Okay, let's go. Bye-bye.
4 a.m.
That is our boat right there.
Too many thoughts on my mind. Can't read them all.
Beach.
It's a selfish path, don't disagree. It's so hard to fix what can't be seen.
Look at this monkey. How did he do this? It's so cute. Ito yung ginawa ng housekeeping, guys. Nakabalik na pala kami mula sa isla. Doon sa Coco Cay Beach. Tapos ito yung nadatnan namin sa bahay. Actually, nakahiga na ako, nakarest na ako. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog agad. So, bumalik kami mga alas 3 na. Tapos ngayon, alas 4 na. Oras na para mag-dinner. Madilim sa labas, uulan. Pretty soon, aalis na kami dito. Mag-ano na kami, babalik na kami Fort Lauderdale. So, yan. Ang pakalaki ng barko na yan, guys. Kung nakikita nyo sa labas, sa vlog ko, ang pakalaki niyan. Parang kalahati, isa't kalahati ang size niyan dito sa barko na to na sinakyan namin. Galing Orlando siya. Yan. Check, fit, check, fit, check. That's the dress. Mermaid dress. Pasensya na sa ingay sa likod kasi nanood ang asawa ko ng sports sa phone niya. Pero yan po ang susuotin natin kasi mag-alas 4 na, kakain tayo ng pananghalian. Pananghalian ba? Dinner ba? That is nice dress. Check. Yep. Dress ay galing kay Shein. Yan. Lahat ng damit, guys. Galing kay Shein. Okay. Lalabas na kami. Gustong manood ni Paul ng barko na aalis na sa pantalan. So, ayan. Oh. Aakyat tayo sa taas. Pinakataas na deck. Kasi, doon natin makita yung view sa baba. Okay, let's go. Ang bilis tumakbo ni Paul. Naiwan na niya ako. Ando na siya. We're moving, guys. Woo! Bye! Ayan. Ito si Paul. May kumakanta. May naliligo dyan, guys. Oh my God!
You need space?
He needs space? Okay, thank you. See, honey, we're moving. We're leaving Bahamas. Picture of the boat. Yeah. Everyone wants to see the boat leaves. There's so many people here. Yeah, I did already. Safe travels, happy trip. Wow, that boat is... Gusto uminom ni Paul, guys. So, nandito kami sa lunch. Oh, guys. Ito na yung margarita. Good morning. We are leaving the boat, guys. Uuwi na kami. Blurry yung camera. But we're leaving the boat na, guys. Ayun na si Paul. Pupunta kami guest service. Nakabalik na kami sa bahay, guys, from the cruise. Lumabas na si Paul. Nag-grocery siya kanina. Binilhan niya ako ng boba milk tea. Masarap siya. Masarap siya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Ang matamis lang sa kanya ay yung tapioca niya sa ilalim. Pero hindi, nag-request kasi si Paul ng huwag lagyan ng sugar. And the best talaga na boba milk tea na na-try ko is yung doon sa Boca Raton, guys. As in, lasang milk tea siya na parang sa Taiwan. It was so good. Hindi talaga siya matamis. Tamang-tama para sa akin. This one is may flavor. Matamis kasi ang tapioca niya. Okay lang siya. So, it's not the best. Yung isang talaga ang gusto ko. But not too bad. Ang niloto ko ay yung kanin na parang yung ginagamit nila sa sushi. Medyo malagkit na maliit. Ito yung kanin, guys. May ibang update ako sa inyo, guys. Additional update. Tada! Ito ay pen or dan or whatever you call it. Pero, bibili kami ng puppy ni Paul, guys. Next month na siya darating dito sa bahay. Hindi pa siya pwedeng i-pick upin from the breeder kasi kailangan maghantay kami ng 12 weeks. So, next month, mga around December 12 yata, pwede na siyang pick upin. Magto 12 weeks na siya. So, that's why we have this ready for him. He's a boy. So, we have the bed, my mat na dyan, and then the toys. So, ayan ang sitwasyon dyan, guys. Wala pa siya dito, pero nire-ready na namin siya for next month. I think it's too early. Tapos, may mga laruan siya doon sa kabilang kwarto namin nilagay. Na-excite si Paul, bumili siya ng madami. Madaming laruan para, saka bed din, para sa aso. So, yeah, yan ang update, guys. Huwag kalimutang subscribe, please.